Welcome to the garden of the Villa La Fonte. We're just outside Florence at the 5th Regulation of Infrastructure Conference, and I'm lucky enough to be joined by the author, or one of the authors of this year's winning paper, Christa Sys. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now your paper is about ports and infrastructure in ports and the innovation that goes on there. How did you become interested in ports?
First of all, as a researcher, I was involved in maritime economics. And as I became the holder of the BNP Paribas Research, Transport, Logistics and Ports, I became more and more interested within this topic. And it's also very important at our department, Transport and Regional Economics. So that's the reason why I was very much involved in it and interested in it, and more specifically about then innovations within the port sector.
Okay, so tell me about the specific innovations that you've been writing about.
Oh, we have collected 75 innovation cases. What was triggering us was a statement of ITF that the transport sector in general was not innovative. We had a look at the maritime and port sector, and apparently there were a huge amount of initiatives, however they were not successful. So that's the reason why we started to look for success and failure factors. And what was actually the end of the collection was 75 cases, of which half of them were actually digital innovation. And that's the reason why we wrote a paper dedicated on that topic, digital innovation. And we searched for the barriers and also to the facilitators, and whether or not there was a role for the regulators.
And is this happening all over the world, or where are your specific case studies?
The research was done in cooperation with 7 universities. The University of Antwerp was the coordinator of this. We had partners from HIOS, from Genoa, from Portugal, from Singapore, from Germany, from Los Angeles also. So we wanted actually to have international multidisciplinary research. But the cases, however, were only limited to 10 countries. 30 industries were involved in the data collection. So we have quite a good sample of the sector actually.
So what are some of the biggest innovations happening now in the world of ports?
The biggest innovations are, if I limit it only to the digital innovations, there are actually 3 applications where we see huge opportunities for digital innovation. That is electronic data interchange, so actually moving from paper up to cloud-based applications, even cloud-to-cloud applications, Internet of Things, etc. Followed by monitoring cargo flows also, so how that digital innovation can enhance that process. And a last one is also with respect to monitoring. And we had a very interesting case of a multi-purpose terminal where they added sensors because their clients could not actually give very good information with respect to the weight and the data of project cargo actually.
Okay, Christa Sys, thank you very much for sitting down with us. We really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you very much.